Page 10 I'm on. Number 2. Okay, given that x minus 1 is a factor, express this as a product of factors. Okay, so we're going to divide. What is the value you guys want to put in the front here? Positive 1. Okay, look at the order here. Are we good, or do we need a 0 filler? We need a 0 in the squared spot. So 1 for the cubic, 0 for the squared, negative 57 and 56. You know what I already know? When I divide this, it is going to for sure be 0 because it told me that it was a factor. So you better get a 0. Okay, here we go. 1, hold it down. Multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Okay, this is what? 1 what? X squared plus 1x minus 56. Okay, this divided by that equals that. So how do I write it as multipliers? What times what equals what? This divided by this equals this, so therefore this times this equals this. Does that make sense? This divided by that was that, therefore this times that equals that. Okay, guess what? You can keep going. Can I make this into 2 multipliers? You know how to remember how to do that? Your grade 11 stuff? Simple trinomial multiplies to 56. Okay, flip the page to 11. Number 6. Okay, we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 3, and the remainder was 4. Okay, sorry, this is not being divided. We're dividing something by that, and the result was that. So I'm going to put a 3 in the front because we were dividing a polynomial by that. What am I going to do if the result was that? Where should I put that? At the bottom. Does that make sense? I'm just kind of working backwards of something. I don't know what I was dividing, but the result was that. Okay, therefore, what would have been here? A 2. This multiplies to 6. Now you're working backwards. What would have been here? What plus 6? makes 1. Did you write a negative 5? So those would have multiplied to 3. So what would I have needed in that position? What plus 3 made negative 6? Negative 9? So this times this would have been a negative 18. So what would I have needed in that position? 22? Okay, so determine the original function. So p of x equals, so what was the original? So the original got divided by an x, and the result was an x squared, so therefore the original was a cubic, right? So 2x cubed plus x squared minus 6. Oh, no, you guys, what am I doing? All wrong. 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 9x plus 22. No, this is the original. This is the original. Yes, I probably confused you because I started writing the result again. The result would have had a plus 4 over, but that's the quotient. Yeah. And we're asking for the original.